Hello, my name is Jasmeet Singh and today I will present you my presentation on the nature versus nurture. Yeah, I know it's a very big concept. So in this presentation I will be covering the impacts of nature versus nurture on visual team behavior and performance. So let's begin. Like every other presentation, we will be starting with introduction. In the field of psychology, the age-old debate of nature versus nurture has intrigued the researchers for decades, and when it's come to collaboration with teams, it's crucial to understand the role played by inherited traits, nature, and external factors, nurture. In this presentation, we will be exploring how these factors impact the team dynamics and performance. By examining these interactions between nature and nurture, we can get insight into the management strategies for virtual teams. Throughout our discussion, we will look at examples for behaviors and communication patterns as a result of nature and nurture through real life example and practical advice. Our goal is to offer a way to enhance virtual team performance in today's changing world landscape. So, nature automaticity. Automaticity refers to a natural or subconscious response individual display in communication occurring without conscious effect awareness. In the context of visual teams, automaticity can manifest in various ways such as tone of voice, body language cues, and response speed during interactions. For instance, in visual team meeting, one member may initiatively assume a leadership role, speaking confidently and displaying without hesitation with decisiveness. Such behavior may be influenced by inherited personality traits spread by genetic factors. Understanding how genetic predisposition contribute to automatic communication behavior can provide insight into team dynamic and help predict individual role and contribution within the virtual team. Nurture communication structurations. Communication structuration, also known as communication norms, are accepted rules and patterns of communication within a group. In the context of visual team, communication norms are influenced by factors like team culture, organization practice, and technological use. For example, a virtual team might establish a norm or pattern of clear and concise communication using designed channel for specific purpose like project updates or brainstorming session. Understanding communication norms help team members navigate interaction effectively for setting collaboration and productivity in virtual team environment. Like every other nature versus nurture debate, it always comes to the point of interaction. So let's begin with interaction between nature and nurture. In visual team dynamics, individuals bring their inherent traits or nature influenced by genetics into interaction with the communication norm and organization culture, which represent nurture. For instance, consider two team members with a different genetic predisposition. One is naturally assertive and the other one is more reserved. In visual team with the culture that value assertiveness, then it's natural to assertive member to might thrive while the reserved member might find it challenging to assert themselves. Understanding this dynamic is essential as it is established team leaders and members to grasp how individual might react to communication norms and organization culture in various ways due to their interaction characteristics. This comprehension foresight team members and collaboration with the virtual teams. The case study. The case study delves into real-world scenario and observations of virtual team behavior and performance. It highlights the insight gained from analyze how automaticity and communication structuralization influence team dynamics and outcomes. The case study provides valuable lesson and implications for enhancing virtual team effectiveness based on observed dynamics. This slide encourages further discussion and exploring the case study findings to deeper understanding and inform practical strategies for virtual management. You are getting bored, but don't worry because we already reached our conclusion. So let's begin with it. In conclusion, the team dynamics and virtual team are influenced by complex interplay between innate traits and environmental factors. Recognizing how both individuals' innate traits and external factors shape communication pattern is prevailed for optimizing team effectiveness. By acknowledging the impact of inherent qualities and cultivating an environment that value diverse viewpoint, virtual team can foster better collaboration and attain common goal. Moving forward, organization should prioritize communication awareness, establish clear norms, embrace diversity, provide support and training, and regularly evolve the and adapt strategies to meet evolving needs for virtual team. By attaining both nature and nurture components, team can cultivate more inclusive and productive atmosphere conducive to successful collaboration in virtual setting. Wait a minute. Before you go, please see my references. Nature and Nurture, the Team of Automaticity and Structuration of Communication on Virtual Team Behavior and Performance, is article written by these two people, Valerie Le Parteller and Alan R. Dennis, in Miss Quarterly, Volume 38, Number 2, on July, published in July 214. And these are the pages. They have 22 pages, and this is the number of pp's 521538. I also provide the link, as you can see, so you can also go and check about it. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.